This is a 2023 Sea Ray 210 SPX, white and black, on a Sea Ray tandem axle trailer with surge brakes, swing away tongue. Boat has snap-on covers, bimini top. Designated anchor storage. Large usable swim platform with marine mat. Entering into the boat through the walk-through transom, got a couple of storage compartments. In marine mat flooring throughout the entire boat. Big L-shaped storage, or L-shaped seating with storage. Upgraded stereo system with subwoofer. Driver's bucket seat with thigh-rise bolster. Fusion audio, the 9-inch Simrad. Up into the bow, we've got a storage compartment here on the port side. 12-person capacity boat. Big, deep, spacious bow. Moving towards the aft of the boat on the port side, you've got your convertible passenger seat. Here's in the forward-facing position. Laying you down flat for a bench. In your aft seating position. This boat is equipped with a 4.5 liter, 200 horsepower Mercruiser V8.